Whoa! That wave was turbo-riptastic, my flip-flop explorers! I was totally zonking in the splash portal.
Wait, zonking in the splash portal? Does that mean you had fun?
Ultra mega fun, buddy.
How do you understand that? I don't know, it just kind of makes sense to my heart.
Right here, in the chest noodles.
Okay, well check this out. The whole ride was straight fuego, no cap. I was mid-drip into the wave ratio, and I went full sus. But then I low-key raised my board into orbit. What?
Did he hit his head on a jellyfish?
Hello? I was speaking Gen Z. You know, cool kid talk. Nah, bruh, that slang is whack.
Hard whack, like a jelly flip reverse turbo.
Cilo, translate.
It sounds like he's trying too hard, my dude.
Alright, fine. Next time I'll just say, that was fun. Now that's something we all can understand.
Radical honesty, my guy.